5X. This is just an unboxing. .5 display, quad core, 1.1 GHz processor, 1 GB RAM, 3.2 megapixel camera for selfie with LED flash, 2000 milliamp battery, 5 megapixel main camera, and Android 7.0, and it could hold a USB card up to 64 gig. So this phone is actually the phone that they give to SA students in Trinidad and Tobago who just completed writing the secondary school entrance assessment. So B-Mobile is actually selling these phones off for $100 TT, which is equivalent to 15 US. So let's take a look at. So this is just the unboxing. I'm not going into the full review of it because you all know what you could do on it. You could do basic gaming. This is the phone here. Camera to the back with LED flash. Also to the front, here is your flash lens, your camera, mic at the bottom, to the top charging port with also the headset port. Inside the box comes with a standard USB charger, not Type-C, regular one, charging block, screen protector, standard blue fashion, user manual, and also a silicone case. So you do get the standard. The only thing that is missing from this box is actually the headset. So they did not provide you with a headset with this phone, so you have to get a headset separately. But this is a good starter phone. You'll still be able to play basic games, Subway Surf, those kind of things on the phone, Minecraft. You will not be able to do any heavy gaming, so it's a good little phone for the young ones getting into secondary school, even for the older ones. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos.